Hello friends, welcome to Chinni Asha channel. Today our recipe is yummy and spicy mutton fry. It's a very typical South Indian style dish. So with not any further delay, let's get into the recipe. Here I'm taking half kg of mutton. I've cleaned it and cut into small pieces. We don't pressure cook this recipe today, so we need to cook in tawa, so we need mutton to cut into small pieces. The ingredients we need for this recipe are 1 medium-sized onion, I have sliced them, 8 green chillies, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon salt, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala. Now heat a pan and add 3 to 4 spoons of oil. Add cinnamon and fennel seeds. Fennel seeds give good aroma to the oil. Now add 2 cardamom pods. Now I am adding the sliced onion pieces and frying them. It's time to add the chilli pieces. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt makes the onions ooze out the water and thus helps in quick frying. Add ginger garlic paste. Now it's time to add the powdered ingredients. Add turmeric powder, chilli powder and the garam masala. Once the masalas are well mixed, add half kg mutton. After 10 minutes, the mutton starts oozing out the water and the oil. So this oil and water is enough to cook the mutton. No need to pressure cook it. Close the lid and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Add chopped coriander. The recipe is done and ready to dish out. This recipe can be used as a starter for soups. This goes very well with rice, roti. Yummy and spicy mutton fry is ready to serve. If you like the recipe, please like, share and comment. Most importantly, please subscribe the Chinni Asha channel. Hit the bell icon to get the notifications from this Chinni Asha channel as we upload the videos every day. Thanks for watching. Namaste.